Do you need a reliable dumpster rental in Winter Park, Florida? Lady Waste Corp is your trusted partner committed to making waste disposal easy and hassle-free. Whether managing a construction site, renovating your home, or clearing out clutter, Lady Waste Corp offers a range of dumpster sizes to fit any project, providing a reliable partner for all your waste disposal needs. Our dumpsters are designed to handle all types of waste, from small home cleanouts to large-scale construction jobs. No matter the size of your project, we have the right dumpster for your needs. At Lady Waste Corp, we understand the importance of keeping your project on schedule. That's why we guarantee timely delivery and reliable pickup, ensuring your job stays on track without delays. Our focus on eco-friendly practices matches our commitment to efficiency and reliability. We ensure that all waste is handled responsibly, helping to keep Winter Park as beautiful as ever. Streamline your waste disposal process with Lady Waste Corp. Visit us at www.ladywastecorp.com Winter Park or call 321-414-0014 to schedule your dumpster rental today. Lady Waste Corp is your dedicated waste management partner committed to keeping Winter Park clean, one project at a time.